Thank you for ordering your internet service. Please set up your account by following the instructions found in your welcome email. When you move in, you will discover your pre-installed internet Wi-Fi equipment. The modem is commonly located in a closet or laundry room and can be inside a small media panel. The modem will have a label with your SSID, also known as your Wi-Fi network name, and Wi-Fi network password. Now you are ready to connect your home's wireless devices, such as your smart TV, tablet, doorbells, and more. Simply go to your device's Wi-Fi settings, select the network name, and enter the password, and tap Join. That's blazing fast internet service in an instant. And to manage your account online 24/7 or review self-help FAQs, visit quantumfiber.com/instant.